Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, do follow, free guest post backlink. So the website name is bipco.net. So this is a website, a dashboard, and this is a website URL, and I can provide this website URL in the description section. So from there you can access easily. So before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 19, and according to DAPA checker, this website domain authority is 42, and the spam score is only 1%. And if you can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 55.3K monthly visits, and mostly traffic from India and the Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and register button. There you can submit your all login details, your username, your email address. There you guys will choose your password. Then you can reconfirm your password. Then after you can click on terms and condition, click on register, and you see your account is created. Now we can update our profile picture. Okay, let me check. Yeah, so we can upload a profile picture. So still it's not available. So can ignore this now for now, and there I can upload my profile description. Then after you can click on save changes.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
And once you guys will complete these things, then after you can hover on your username and click on admin panel, and there you can click on post, click on post, click on add post, click on add post. Yeah, and there you can put your article title. So this is the article I recently generated. So this is a fresh article. So whenever you guys are doing article submission or guest posting, so you can consider your fresh article. There you can add your short description. So short description, let me copy from there, and you can paste your description here. There you can add your some keywords, gamification in recruitment, and there you can add your some tags, gamification in hiring. Then after there you can put your article. So let me copy the content, and you can paste your article here, and you can optimize your tags. So I already optimized these tags in my Google Doc. Once you guys will complete these things, so now we can hyperlink our content, gamified hiring. So you can select your keyword. You can see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this. There you can paste your website URL. Then after you can click on save. So you can see our link is inserted. If you're wanting, so you can make it bold. And if you're wanting, so you can add a more hyperlink. You can consider around maximum 2 hyperlink. Then this is looks genuine. So their modifier team, they will not gonna to disapprove or delete your content. So you can add at most maximum 2 hyperlink. Okay. Then after you can upload your a featured image. So you can click on this, click on browse file. You can upload your logo, sorry, your featured image. Then after select this image, click on select image, and then you can select your category. So my category is education. Then after you can click on add post, and you can see post is successfully added. Now you can click on post, and you will see this is your article. And if you can click on this title. So you can see this is your article. This is your article any page URL. This is your article title. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we created a very high quality do follow free guest post backlink. And if I can show you in incognito, so you will see this is an instant approved backlink. Okay, so overall, this is the process for the submitting your article and your guest post in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request to you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly base for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.